What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm here with Jason and he got a little surprise for you. So tell him.
We're bagging my car, finally.
Finally bagging his car, dude. Woo! Finally got bags for his car. He got airlift. Congrats, congrats. So currently we are pretty much tearing his car apart so we can. What are you doing?
We're honestly just taking panels apart just to see where we're gonna run stuff, and I already hate it.
Oh yeah, definitely. I just came back because he needed some parts, so I just grabbed him some shit from AutoZone. But seems like they already went to work and took out pretty much a lot of the things inside. But so yeah, how you gonna run it? So the management is gonna be in the back, but your battery's in the front. So we're gonna have to power it. So we're gonna have to line the cable, the wires through from the interior to the battery here. The management will still be in the rear. We'll put the tank in the rear. How many compressors did you get? One or two? Two? Damn, two compressors? Okay. Hopefully your battery can power it, but alright. So yeah. Tearing this apart. Well, do we need to drill holes or can we just go through one of these? Woo. Alright. Here's his tank, his front bags, his rear shocks, and his rear bags, and his harness right here. So we're gonna have to wire this through the car. This will connect to his controller, and then we're gonna have to put this relay on in the front. Oh yeah, it's gonna be some complicated work, but we should be able to do this. Alright, so we figured it out. Now we are running the harness through. So on the right side we are running.
Is that all we can get? No,
the power to the battery. On the left side we are running the fuse.
Have a lot or what?
The fuse and the controller mount right here. So we're running these two on this side. So the controller will stay in the console, and we are going to be running the fuse through the firewall over here. And then the harness will be complete, and then we will just plug in the management, and then we can power that on, and then connect the compressor and the tank, and yeah, should be good. And then after we'll
the firewall,
let's get it, and then we can install the bags. All right guys, we've been fucking working our asses off.
Yeah, baby.
So we finally got the whole harness through and connected. We also mounted the tank and the compressor onto this board. So we pretty much lined everything through. Right now Andres, the sexy Andres, is connecting terminals to the RIP wires so you can connect the power for the compressor and the management system.
So do you want to use this one that they can keep?
And then on this side we have the relay pass through here. Sorry, did I say relay? I meant the fuse over here. And we have the controller connected through here to the right side also. Well, look at that. What is that? Is that an Evo? Is that an Evo? Bro, look at this shit. It's an Evo, dude. Hey, what year is this Evo, Mark?
It's the final edition.
Final edition, dude? Okay. See this triple chrome water-cooled wheels. And we picked up the new carbon fiber hood. Damn. Yo, what kind of hood is this? Sibon hood. What are we doing?
Jacking up.
Jacking off?
Jacking up.
Jacking up the car? So what happened? Car was too low?
Side skirts was too low, so it was hitting the jack.
Yep.
Even with the 2x4 right there. Now we're good.
Nice.
We have a lot more access. Side skirt's not in the way.
Oh, fuck you, bitch.
So now,
My legs aren't ashy. Shit ain't ashy.
take it easy. I'm kidding.
It's not ashy, bro. What are we doing? Jacking off? Jacking up the car? So what happened? Car was too low?
Drive grip was too low, so it was hitting the jack. Even with the 2x4 right there. But now we're good.
Nice.
We have a lot more access. Side skirt's not in the way.
Well, fuck you, bitch.
So now,
My legs aren't ashy. Shit ain't ashy.
take it easy. I'm kidding.
It's not ashy, bro. What the fuck?
We have touchdown.
We finally have
fucking-
finished.
So tired, guys. I'm so fucking over this.
I'm so over this, but we finally put everything together. The fucking wheels are on. Now we're about to see this shit drop to the floor.
Drop to the flow. Hey, Mark, say what up to the vlog. How was it? We stayed like 8 hours, like literally like an 8-10 hour shift.
What do you mean? We started at 5. It's
almost been 12 hours.
It's 4 o'clock, dude. We started at 5.
Hey, but
So that's
almost 12.
11 hours so far.
But how was the pizza?
Was it worth the 11 hours of work?
Trust me, all of this hard work we just did
Or all
is
the
gonna
gas
pay
I
off
have
as
to
soon
do?
as you see this shit air down.
That's exactly what I've been saying, so I could see this shit air down already. Fuck. You know I love it.
Thank you guys. All aspects. You're the best.
Alright, so yeah, let's watch this shit air down.
How do I stop it?
Oh my god, bro! Holy shit! Dude, that shit looks so clean! Oh my god, bro! Oh, fuck! Hard! Bro, look at the rears though! Look at the rears though! Oh my god! Bro, you're on the floor!
Wait, is this his preset or?
Yes, this is air out, full air out.
So I'm fine. I don't need to adjust.
No, you're on the floor, bro. You're pretty much on the floor.
Look at it. Fitment's not the worst, but it's not the best.
I can't believe we just had you air out like without checking like.
I know. I was like, wait, aren't I supposed to like hold it?
God, dude.
Nah, you're good.
Imagine fucking up his fender.
Imagine, not my fault. We're gonna be installing some parts on my 335 IS, and Andres is working on his RX-7.
Yeah.
What's up?
What's up, bro?
What are you working on?
Trying to get this fucking weather strip on my door. So I
Okay.
can seal it.
Alright, alright.
Little things that need to get done.
Nice. Alright, today I'm gonna teach you how to change your emblems. So all you're gonna need is a flathead or a pry tool and a microfiber towel. You're gonna go against the emblem and you're just gonna pry it open until it pops up, and then you could just lift it off with your fingers like this. Boom. And it's off. Easy. Next, you get some alcohol and make sure to clean it all up. Nice and clean before you apply your new emblem. That's how you apply a new emblem. Looking sick. Alright, next we're gonna be installing the steering wheel emblem right here. Alright. And there we have it. The carbon fiber steering wheel emblem. Lighting is fucking up everything, but here it is. So for this one, you can only get a vinyl because the actual emblem is connected to the airbag, so yeah, but it's looking good. So we got Andy here. So it turns out there's some old residue glue behind his emblem, so it's not coming off easily, so we're using the heat gun to loosen up the residue so we can peel it off. Let's get it.
Pretty much off. Nice. Alright, so we're gonna try the glue gun on all the adhesive and see if that'll help get it off a little faster, more efficient.
Alright, so while the glue gun is working its magic, we're going to be installing some carbon pieces into the interior. So I got this carbon piece that's going to go right around the cup holder. Alright, so let me put it on and let's see how it looks. And here it is. Carbon fiber. Ooh, looks pretty good. Now we're gonna go on to the next one. We're gonna be doing the dash. Alright. So we'll be putting this on.
Yeah, carbon fiber, yeah.
Oh shit, look at that, boys. And look who's here.
I came just for this.
Oh my god, the interior is looking clean as
Dude, this
fuck.
This is good quality.
Oh my god, it's so shiny.
I love how it kept this. This is sick. I wanted this to stay black.
It's matching. Also installed this a while ago.
That's it.
The carbon fiber ring. Just need the carbon fiber steering wheel now though. Like the actual steering wheel, the carbon fiber.
Guys, comment down below if you think he should get a carbon fiber steering wheel or an Alcantara one.
Carbon fiber, dog. Since Jason helped me take off all that residue, now all we're gonna do is just add the emblem and just put it on. Boom. Easy. There's Andy.
Good shit. Glad we fixed it.
Yeah.
Glad we installed all the parts in your car.
Alright.
Worked on the RX-7 a little bit. You know, it was
Had a good day, had a chill day, but yeah. We're probably gonna be doing a lot more.
Stay tuned for
So
sure.
yeah. We'll see you in the next one.